I then decided that I was going to take the lights back, but the road car stopped because it was already in the car and everything. I was late, I not eaten the whole day because I was shooting the whole day, so I was hungry. I decided, okay, you know what, let me just go anyway. It's safe, everything is in the bag, so I'll get the bag when I get home, right? Sharp. So I just took my handbag and I put it in the boot, and then I closed the boot. After that, I got in my car and then I left. When I left,
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and do comment in the comment section. As you have seen on that video, Owami is pleading for help because someone has a nerve to take her equipment that she uses to record. Remember that Owami has this big podcast called To Hell and Back, where she tells the story of the people. Actually, she just tells, she doesn't interview. She let the people tell us their story, where they went from. And it's so sad that she lost her equipment in that way. And I believe that the person who took it just somehow take it back, please, because Uwami is a queen ninja. Guys, that content is very good. It's nice. You can learn many things from her content, and also that's her daily bread. That's how she survives. She survives by doing YouTube videos, and she did invest a lot in her videos. You could see from recording on a phone, camera in a back room, and then now she has a studio. Hi guys, let's just be human beings for once and stop behaving like hooligans. To me, it looks like a sabotage. I don't want to lie. I wonder if she has opened a case, because this is like a theft. Yeah, this is a theft. Someone has stolen her equipment, so she needs to open a case. Maybe that someone will return the equipment. Guys, please, if you know your brother who doesn't have camera and all of a sudden has a camera and the whole studio equipment, just tell him, bruh, we need that for Owami. That's Owami's what's not content, that's Owami's belongings. Yeah, so yeah, do that. Just go and give Owami her things, guys. Please, I'm begging you. Yes, they must give Owami her things. Yo, imagine.